What is happening, everyone? In under 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can fully detail the exterior of your vehicle like I'm doing for this customer, and I'll link the products down below with a discount code for you as well. If you've seen my videos before, you know we are starting out with the wheels, some P&S Perolato shampoo in the wash bucket. I always start with blasting the wheel wells and tires first just to remove any loose dirt and debris. We're going to be applying P&S Hot Shot Degreaser and Brake Buster for the chemicals. You'll see it immediately starts breaking down the grime on these tires. My favorite part is the IK Foam Pro. We're going to be applying soap just to prevent the chemicals from drying while we clean. And for the agitation, I'll be starting out with a detailing brush just to get that lug nut area. And then a tire brush for the tire walls. Because these are alloys, we're just going to rinse this off in our bucket and use it for the rims as well. It's a soft brush, so it won't damage these, but for gloss, chrome, or matte wheels, you're better off with a wash mitt. And just finishing off with a barrel brush there as well. Let's go ahead and blast these off, and we'll move on to the paint. The first step will be rinsing the vehicle just to remove, again, any loose dirt or contaminants that are on the paint right now, followed by a pre-wash solution. Here I'm just using my soap mixed with a bit of degreaser to help lift any remaining dirt and contaminants before the contact wash. Go ahead and rinse that off, and you've effectively removed a large portion of the contaminants, which will prevent swirling when we actually start the contact wash. And before hitting it with a wash mitt, I'm going to use the foam cannon just to add a good layer of soap. It's going to aid obviously in cleaning, but also as a lubricant. When I use the wash mitt, you'll see it's going to be in clean straight lines, again just to prevent any swirling. You'll want to wash your wash mitt between each panel, although you do have two sides to it, so as you can see, I'll do a fender here, flip it, and then do half the hood before rinsing and repeating. Blast off the vehicle and dry using either a drying towel or even an air blower can be used on vehicles that have coatings that have some water beading or sheeting attributes. We're going to be applying Geon Q2 tire protectant to the wheels, just adds a little pop of color and a light layer of protection. And then this is the Magic Sauce P&S Bead Maker. Is an amazing spray on and wipe off solution. It adds a good amount of gloss to your paint as well as adding some light UV protection, and it leaves a hydrophobic layer which is going to help repel water and keep your vehicle clean for longer. Always wipe it off after just with a clean dry microfiber to ensure you're not leaving any residue behind. We're going to do a walk around for the final results. Go ahead and subscribe for daily detailing content and comment below if you have any questions or if you want to see some more specific detailing content.